Hello, everyone. There are times that we get so busy and feel lazy to go outside and buy food, and even more to prepare and cook our own food. And what will we do if we feel so hungry already and wanted something hot and flavorful? Cup noodles to the rescue. With me today is Lucky Me Go Cup Noodles spicy bok choy flavor. Cup noodle is an instant ramen product that we can see it is in a disposable cup. As a glance to history, cup noodles are first developed in 1971 and manufactured by the Japanese food company Nissin Foods. The product was first introduced in the United States as cup o noodles in 1972 before being renamed to cup noodles in 1993. And for today, we have Lucky Me as a cup noodles. It is an instant noodles here in the Philippines owned by Mount Nissan. Based on these instructions, we may open the lid partly and just add boiling water up to the line inside and let it simmer. So for today, we have here as the flavor spicy bok choy. Bok choy is a very flavorful Filipino noodle soup of pork offal, crushed pork cracklings with chicken stock, beef loin, and with round noodles. And for today, we will enjoy this very convenient and a very flavorful cup noodles from Lucky Me. Actually, this brand is a brand that is very close to my heart. Since childhood, this is what I am using. So for today, I have prepared already this kettle and I am now boiling water in it. It's already boiling and we are now ready to pour it to our instant cup noodles. As you can see, I have already opened this cup noodle, Lucky Me brand, and here it is. The ingredients are inside already. It's already pre-mixed. I just opened it just half open for me to be able to close it once again. Once I already poured the boiling hot water. So we have here, I already have with me this hot water in my kettle. And what we're going to do is just to pour it. We are now pouring it very, very gently. Be careful in pouring it because this water is really boiling. It has just been boiled. So we will not pour it up to full, just in the lid, just right before the lid. So we're going to close it for it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. If you can see, and I can smell the aroma of this instant noodle. Lucky Me Go Cup. No cook noodles in a cup. It is really a very, very convenient meal. Just like what I have said before, if you got so busy, you cannot go outside, you have no time, and even more, you have no time to cook a very delicious meal. So, here is our savior, Lucky Me Go Cup Bok Choy flavor. So, this bok choy flavor is a really tasty soup. The original and most popular variant of bok choy was in La Paz bok choy, traces back its roots to the Iloilo City district of La Paz in the Philippines. So this is a really very, very flavorful kind of soup in the Philippines. As we can see, I already opened the lid. Oh, I have this spoon with me and let us stir it a little bit to mix the ingredients. Look at look at this. The noodles are already cooked. Of course, because it is an instant noodles, it is really very easy to cook it. We just spent and waited 3 minutes for it to simmer and cook. Look at this. The soup is really rich and a bit creamy. And you can smell in the air that delicious soup, this spicy pat choy from Lucky Me. So this is the easy tutorial for our Lucky Me cup noodles. So enjoy and you may enjoy it just once or twice in 2 weeks. Thank you. Bye bye.